When you search for outdoor hanging plants for summer, everything looks pretty much the same. Same vibrant colors, same claims about being low maintenance. But to find which ones actually stand out and bring real beauty to your space, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, High Flora Faux Hanging Flowers. First up, we have the High Flora Artificial Faux Hanging Plants. This stunning arrangement caught my eye with its vibrant colors and elegant rattan basket, priced at $28.79. If you want a beautiful, no-fuss way to brighten up your outdoor space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This hanging basket features 12 branches of lifelike bougainvillea flowers, which means you get a pop of color without the hassle of watering or worrying about sunlight. Plus, it's UV resistant, ensuring that those colors remain vivid all summer long. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 3,500 reviews and over 4,000 units sold just last month, it's clear people are loving this. Now, some folks have mentioned that the flowers can look a bit too artificial up close. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something that requires zero maintenance and lasts through all weather, that's a small trade-off. You won't have to worry about watering or wilting. This is perfect for you if you want vibrant decoration without the upkeep. Skip this one if you're after something that looks completely natural. For the price, it's a great value for effortless beauty. Now, if that slight artificiality bothered you, the next one takes a different approach with its realistic look. Product number 2, Homsunny Hanging Petunias. Next, we have the Homsunny Artificial Hanging Flowers. Priced at just $19.99, this option stood out to me for its rich purple-red color and ease of assembly. If you want a no-fuss DIY project that results in a stunning floral display, this one might be your go-to. Here's why this matters. The Homsunny set comes with everything you need to create a lovely hanging arrangement in just 5 minutes. The 12-inch coconut lining basket paired with vibrant petunias makes it easy to enhance your patio or porch effortlessly. Plus, it's UV resistant and washable, making maintenance a breeze. This product also boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews, which is pretty impressive. However, some customers reported that the flowers can become a bit messy if not secured well. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to infuse color into their space without a lot of effort. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY projects that yield beautiful results. Skip this one if you prefer something that's already fully assembled. For under $20, it's a steal for a bright outdoor accent. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a more premium feel. Product number 3, High Flora Colorful Daisy Basket. Now let's talk about another High Flora option, specifically their artificial faux hanging plants. Priced at $26.98, this colorful daisy arrangement grabbed my attention with its realistic look and quality materials. If you want a sophisticated touch to your outdoor decor, this is worth considering. With dimensions of about 15.7 inches across, it's big enough to make a statement without overwhelming your space. The UV resistance means you won't have to worry about fading either. It's no surprise that it holds a 4.6-star rating with nearly 1,000 reviews, showing that it's a crowd favorite. On the downside, some users found the assembly a bit tricky. I'll be real with you, some patience is required to get it looking just right. But once it's up, you'll appreciate how stunning it looks. This is perfect for you if you want an eye-catching centerpiece for your patio. Skip this one if you're looking for something super easy to set up right away. For its quality, it's definitely a solid investment. Now, if the assembly part feels daunting, the next one simplifies the process even further. Product number 4, ZF Process Daisy Hanging Planter. Next up, we have the ZF Process Artificial Faux Hanging Plants. At $20.99, this option delivers a vibrant multicolor display that's both cheerful and charming. If you want something that's easy to set up and looks great, keep this one on your radar. The ZF Process flowers are crafted from UV-resistant silk, meaning they'll hold their color beautifully in the sun. With a simple assembly process, you can set this up in minutes, making it perfect for anyone who might not have a green thumb. The dimensions after assembly are approximately 15.7 inches wide and 21.6 inches tall, providing a full look that can brighten up any space. It boasts a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, which is a testament to its popularity. Here's my take: while it may not be the most durable, it's still a fantastic option for anyone who wants immediate color without the ongoing maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-assemble hanging planter. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can withstand harsh weather over time. For the price, it's a great way to refresh your outdoor decor. Finally, if you want durability without the fuss, the next product really shines. Product number 5, Ivydale Morning Glory Basket. Last but not least, we have the Ivydale Artificial Faux Hanging Plants. At $32.99, this arrangement features beautiful morning glories and eucalyptus leaves. If you want a truly stunning and colorful addition to your outdoor space, this is the way to go. The packaging includes 12 bundles of realistic silk flowers, all in various colors to create a lively display. What I love is that it's designed to endure outdoor elements, so you don't have to worry about fading or deteriorating. With a size of about 19.6 inches across, it's quite impressive, and the 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews speaks volumes about its quality. However, a few reviewers did mention that it may require a little fluffing to achieve that full look. But honestly, that's a minor detail when you see how gorgeous it is once it's set up. This is perfect for you if you want a beautiful statement piece that requires no maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact. For the quality and beauty, it's a solid investment for your home. Now let's wrap this up and see how these products compare. So to recap, we covered 5 amazing outdoor hanging plants: the vibrant high flora options, the easy-to-assemble Homsunny, the colorful ZF process, and the stunning Ivydale. Each has its own charm and strengths, making them perfect for different needs and styles. No matter which one you choose, you're sure to brighten up your outdoor space this summer.